Hello guys, in this episode we will paint the frame and the rear axle. Thank you for your support and let's get to work.
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell how I feel, 'cause she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in this world, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I'll have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I would have to let her go. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She will never know, nah-nah. Never know, nah-nah. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never.
It looks nice. So satisfying. We have to read the instruction. 4 to 1. No, ma mokrawe.
To get some confidence, how many debates to earn some tailwind? The years pass, I'm still the same. What will it take? Why the wait? Up and down, I'm losing ground. Pretender, tell me what to believe. I ain't got a sweet tooth for lying. Spender, show me how to succeed. My wallet is spreading thin. Oh, ooh, ooh, what to do? I am me and not you. Ooh, ooh, what to say? Please make the strain go away. Pretender. How many right turns to reach some kind of goal? How many dressing up for me to play some ball? Seasons change, still the same rain.